Hello everyone, this is Shirkendra. Welcome to this mindful breathing meditation. As we begin, allow yourself to gently arrive, letting go of the busyness of the day and settling into this present moment. This time is for you. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Allow your body to feel supported. Soften your shoulders, your jaw, and your belly. Gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Exhale gently through the mouth. Begin to notice your natural breathing rhythm. There's nothing to change. Just observe how you are feeling right now. As you inhale, feel your body gently expand. As you exhale, allow yourself to soften and release any unnecessary tension. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Gently guide your attention back to your breath. As you inhale, silently repeat, "I am present." As you exhale, "I let go." Inhaling, "I am calm." Exhaling, "I am supported." With each breath, I welcome peace. With each breath out, I release anything that no longer serves me. Allow these words to gently settle in your mind, or you may simply return to the feeling of your breath. Stay here for a few more slow, steady breaths in and out through your nose. Feel yourself grounded, centered, and at ease. Begin to bring awareness back to your body. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Let's take one more deep breath in and exhale, sigh it out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you carry this sense of calm and presence with you into the rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.